Caring for a loved one without financial stress. The Legacy Builder Blueprint. Caring for a loved one is one of the most selfless things you can do. But let's be real, it's also one of the hardest. The emotional toll is heavy, and when you add the rising cost of medical care, prescriptions, and daily necessities, it can really feel overwhelming. What if you didn't have to worry about how to afford their care? What if you had a way to earn money from home on your own time without sacrificing the quality of care your loved one deserves? And now that is exactly what the Legacy Builder Blueprint helps you do. It's a business in a box built for caregivers or anyone else who wants to earn an online income. This system is designed for people like you and me, those who need stable, automated income that works around their caregiving schedules. No tech skills needed. If you can send an email, you can do this. It's an automated system. Your income runs in the background while you focus on what matters most for you and your loved one. Daily earning potential. No waiting weeks for paychecks. It's direct. Caregiving doesn't have to mean a financial struggle. If you join the Legacy Builder Blueprint like I did, and you follow the easy steps, it's possible, because I know what it's like to put someone else's needs above your own and still worry about making ends meet. Now, I want to help others do the same without the stress. So if you're tired of choosing between being there for a loved one and earning a living, it's time to take control today. Don't wait. Drop Legacy in the comments or DM me, or you can send me an email or visit my website to learn how to get started today.